Hi guys, today we are making Bhel Puri. We have some veggies here, onion, cucumber, carrots, and this is raw mango and coriander, lemon, and some chutneys, and we have some spices. So I'm just going to start by putting the bhel in the plate.
Oh, that looks nice. What's in it?
It has
A few
rice puffs.
Rice puffs, okay.
And then I add a bit of cucumber.
Okay. And then? Okay.
Carrot.
Wow. Some tomatoes. And those are raw mangoes, is it?
Yeah.
That looks really...
Onions.
And that's one portion you're making.
Yeah.
Wow.
And then I'm gonna add the spices.
Yep. And what does it have? It's got, is it chili powder and salt?
Chili powder, yeah.
And what sauce is this?
This is like a sweet chutney.
Okay. Wow. And then what do you do after this? Just mix it, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, yummy.
Some lemon.
Yep.
And some salt.